Hi guys, this is Rhiannon here, and I'm going to be showing you how I look after my birds. So this is how I feed them. So as you can see, I've got a bowl in here with all Juliet's food in, and sometimes Romeo falls out of the cage when I open it. So let's see if he doesn't fall out today. So there's like this thing where you just twist up and pull the cage. No, he didn't. So I get the food, put it in the middle. Romeo sometimes doesn't eat anything. Sometimes he does. So he might have some of Juliet's food. So let's see if they start eating or fighting over the food. That's the yellow one eating. Can't believe Romeo's not eating again. As you can see, I've got a bunch of toys over there. So I just got this, and they always giggle sometimes, but this time they didn't. Stay for more for part 2.